Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, HAL chief in Russia scouts for Russian engines for Tejas Mk1A. Dr. D.K. Sunil, chairman and managing director of HAL, is currently in Russia, according to a report by Sputnik India. The purpose of this visit is to explore engine manufacturing options for the Tejas Mk1A fighter jet and future Indian aircraft. This visit comes amidst reported delays in the delivery of F404 engines from GE Aerospace, which currently power the Tejas Mk1A. While the delays may be a factor in exploring alternatives, sources close said that complete engine switch for the Tejas Mk1A program is unlikely at this stage. Next, Navy to receive remaining 15 MH-60R multi-role helicopters. The Indian Navy is set to receive the remaining 15 MH-60R Seahawk multi-role helicopters from the US by the end of 2025. This follows the 2020 agreement with the US government, under which India procured 24 MH-60R helicopters in a deal worth over 14,000 crore. Next, HAL CMD to visit Russia. In a significant development aimed at bolstering India's defense capabilities, the chairman and managing director of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Dr. D.K. Sunil, is currently visiting Russia. Sputnik India has learned that the visit focuses on evaluating the potential for serial production of aircraft engines for the Su-30 MKI and other Russian origin platforms operated by the Indian Air Force. Next, why the Indian Air Force should take charge of fighter jet programs. India's indigenous fighter jet programs such as the Tejas Mk2 and the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, that is AMCA, hold the promise of transforming the Indian Air Force into a self-reliant modern force. However, these projects, currently spearheaded by civilian agencies like the Aeronautical Development Agency (HAL) and overseen by the Ministry of Defense, have faced significant delays and bottlenecks. As a result, the IAF has often found itself as a mere customer of the programs without adequate control over timelines or specifications. Next, Rajnath Singh to visit Russia for frigate induction ceremony. Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is set to visit Russia from December 8 to 10, with planned stops in Moscow and Kaliningrad, according to resources in New Delhi military circles cited by TASS. The visit underscores the robust defense partnership between India and Russia, focusing on naval modernization and strategic collaboration. In Kaliningrad, the defense minister will participate in the flag-raising ceremony for a Project 11356 frigate, marking its official induction into the Indian Navy. Next, Chinese Air Show showcases J-35A. The 15th Chinese Air Show, held biennially in Zhuhai, opened on November 12th and will continue until the 17th. This year's event highlights China's latest advancement in civil and military aviation, with the primary attraction being the debut of the J-35A stealth fighter. Chinese state media have claimed that this aircraft rivals the world's top stealth fighters, but international analysts dispute these assertions, pointing to several limitations and uncertainties surrounding the jet's true capability. Next, Navantia showcase AIP integration on Spanish submarine. Amid the ongoing rupees 70,000 crore deal for buying 6 new submarines, Indian Larsen and Toubro and its Spanish partner Navantia on Tuesday showcased the integration of the critical air independent propulsion system on an under construction Spanish Navy submarine. The L&T and Navantia are partners for the Indian Navy's program to buy 6 new AIP-fitted submarines which can help the boats to stay underwater or at least up to 3 weeks. Thank you.